And here is Ryan. We are at Half Price Books, and he is looking at books while Daddy and Bubba are getting their books. Look how excited he is. Yeah, you're excited. Yeah. Are you reading to me? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we have a little cough going on, but other than that, we're good. You're so sweet. Is that a monkey? Yeah. Called Being in the Jungle. That's the book we're looking at. Mhm. Look at you, honey. Oh, he loves books. So you want to make him happy? Get him some books. Yeah, get him some books. Mhm. Yeah, see, that book has googly eyes in it. See? Yeah, look at that. Oh. He's an expert page turner. Mhm. Yeah, the bookstore is, I think, his favorite place. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. I love you. I'm getting bored. He's kicking his legs. It's like, okay, you ready for a new book? I don't know. Let's see. Here's one. Here. Let me have this one. Thank you. And here's this one. Oh, that's a big one. Bigger. Look at that. Put this one back here. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Excuse us. Ah. You want it back? Okay, I thought that was on purpose. Okay. We'll call this new series Reading with Ryan. Yep. Reading with Ryan. Mhm. Yeah. Look how precious he is. Happy boy. Oh, Hints has a runny nose. I know, sweetheart. No, baby. Well, I guess we better save this video because if Daddy texts, we're gonna lose it. Okay, so say bye. Say bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool.